Friday Friendly Kitchen. Today we are going to make a snack recipe with banana. I have made this video before and I'm repeating the video again. So for this I'm having 2 bananas here, a well-ripe banana, 2 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour with a generous heap, and then half teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of coconut, and also 2 tablespoons of sugar, and also milk 1 cup, but we will only use as needed. So now we are going to see the method. So we will peel the banana. So we will peel one at a time. And if you see a little bit of all this interior pieces, you may just remove them. And also just chop them into chunks because they are all going to be mashed. So I'll be back when I'm done with the second one. Using a potato masher, we'll just mash this a little bit. That's it. And we will add the salt, a pinch, then the baking powder, and also the sugar, and also the coconut, and also the flour. Now we will mash it all together before we add the milk. And if at all the batter becomes too liquid, you can add a little bit of flour, or if it's too thick, you can add a little bit of extra milk and make it as like a pancake dough batter, but it has to be a little thicker than the pancake batter. So now we can add the milk a little bit at a time, maybe about a 1/4 cup, and then we will mash it. So the batter should be this way, a little lumpy as well, but it should be well mixed. And to be honest, the batter is ready right now. We have already mixed the batter well. Now we need to let it rest for at least 30 minutes. Our batter has been already rested for more than 30 minutes, and now we can fry them, a shallow fry. Let's begin by preheating the pan before we start adding the batter into the pan. Our pan is already heated. Now we can add the butter, half a teaspoon on each bowl. And with an ice cream scoop, we can scoop up the batter and start dropping them into the molds. The flame that I'm using is medium low, so that it will cook full through. And now we will cover this and let it cook for a couple of minutes or 3 minutes. Then we will open it and we will flip it. As you can see, the batter is already on the bottom. Now we can flip it and we have to reduce the flame. And we cover this for another 1 minute. And dear viewers, I think it is ready. Now we can just flip it and remove them from the pan. And we repeat the same process.